What's up, people? Thank you for tuning in. Guys, I'm feeling amazing today. I feel good. I feel energized. I feel like a brand new man. Why, you ask? I spent a very long weekend at a beautiful resort where I got to swim, I got to sleep in, I got to eat, guilt-free, of course, and it was just great. It felt good to finally be out there in the open after a very long lockdown. So yes, it was just amazing. So enough about me. Let's talk about my two new guests on today's show. So it was about a month ago, I received an attachment on my Instagram with this little video clip showing these two couples actually cooking in their kitchen one of my recipes, and I was extremely flattered. At the same time, I just found it to be so cute and adorable to watch these two beautiful new couples trying to take over the lead in the kitchen, and each one is trying to prove the other that they are a better cook. And it was then that I had decided that I definitely want to have these two on my show. I would love to basically know what happens in their kitchen on day-to-day basis. So why don't we go ahead and say hello to them. Hey guys, thank you for being on my show.
Hi, Ahmad.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us on Culinary Image
We're
YouTube
so
channel.
excited.
Very excited.
Well, the pleasure is all mine, guys. I am so happy to have you both on this cooking show, and I'm really grateful that you guys agreed to do this. Now, before we begin, I would like to first congratulate you both on your engagement. So, congratulations. And my second question to you guys is, well, Sumaya, you are pretty much a good cook from what I've heard from Amin. But Amin, you are a newcomer when it comes to cooking. You're a newbie, basically, still fresh when it comes to the culinary world. Now tell me, how has my channel actually helped you when it comes to learning how to cook?
Thank you for our engagement,
Thank
obviously.
you.
And by the way, your YouTube channel has helped me specifically quite a bit because I'm a bit of a newbie. And one of the first dishes that I made was the shrimp karai for you.
Yeah, it's become Amin's favorite. It's become our favorite. Thank you so much for helping us with that recipe. Everybody should check it out. It's definitely our current favorite thing in the kitchen.
So actually your current videos at the moment are quite beneficial because they're very simple and descriptive. So for someone like me who just started cooking, it's helped me quite a bit. But I think for future's sake, if you could have maybe ready to eat meals mixed with certain other combination of, for something that's quick and easy at the house on a day-to-day basis could be very useful.
Maybe like an under 30 minutes food. Yeah, that'd be great.
Thank you, Amin and Sumaya. Thank you, I really appreciate that. But yes, I will bear that in mind since I do have a lot of cousins, nephews, and nieces in their 20s, still going to college, single, and they've actually made the same request to go ahead and create some instant quick meals, anything around 10 to 15 minutes with some ready-made ingredients rather than having to make something out of scratch. So guys, thank you so much once again for being on this show. And Sumaya, actually both of you, go ahead and take us into your kitchen and show us what is it that you guys are cooking for us today.
Today we'll be making a Turkish Persian kofta kebab. So let's begin. So now we'll go ahead and mix all the ingredients together and blend them well together.
Yeah, babe?
Can you come and help me, please? Great. Can you go ahead and help me cut these up?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks.
Sumaya! Let's go, come here! Hey, baby, how you doing? Alright, you're gonna help me with the meat now, okay?
Alright, done.
Alright. By the way, the meat looks really good.
Okay.
Honestly, well done.
Thanks.
Shall we, it's funny though because you're the main chef. But shall we start doing this now?
Yeah.
Alright.
We're making some patties, right?
Making some patties.
Okay. Okay, so now that the patties are done, we'll go ahead and sear them, shallow fry them because we need them brown on both sides. We're not going to fully fry these because we need them baked for around 30 to 40 minutes.
Wow, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Mind if I get a taste?
In a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, remember guys, we're simply just searing these. We just need them golden either side because we're going to have to bake them shortly. Okay, so now we're going to saute the onions in the same pan that we used. It has the same juices and the same oil from the meat. It gives it much better taste and smell. Love it. Once the onions are brown, you're going to go ahead and layer them onto the meat. So now we'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the same pan that we used earlier. We need the flavors and we need the smell. So we'll use 700 grams of the paste. And we use rock salt. You can use any rock salt you like. The reason we use this is because of the level of pureness of salt. I also learned this from Culinary Image myself, and I stopped using normal salt and started using rock salt. Try it. So now we'll add a cup of water so we can mix all the ingredients together. So while our tomato is cooking, we're going to go ahead and add some of our potatoes onto the layered meat. So now that our tomato is ready, we're going to go ahead and put it on top of our potato, layered potato. But bear in mind, we've cooked this for around 4 to 5 minutes. So at the final stage, we're done layering. So Amin is going to help me cover this with the foil, and then we're going to bake it for around 30 to 35 minutes at around 200 degrees. So the food is finally ready and I have to try it. Wow, it's so good. You can feel the tomato, the onions, the sautéed onions, the meat, the rice with saffron. It's just, wow.
Wow. The caramelized onions with the potatoes, meat, rice, this is the perfect combination. Unbelievable. Very good, very good.